think that's the point. We are not coming into the debate yet. Ishkaran.
No. Can I come in?
Enough for 30 seconds. Let us just focus on the crime. I'm not getting into lobby or nepotism. Let me just, please don't interrupt. I have just started speaking. For 30 seconds, let's focus on the crime. The fact is that on 9th July, Dr. Swami tweeted, because before that I went to him saying that there is a lot of murky things happening in this case. It requires a CBI investigation. Because very soon, without doing deep investigation, there were people coming and saying it's a suicide, let it lie down, let it not be a deep investigation. And Arnab, I was on your channels and you have done it in Sunanda Pushkar, where today we are having a bipolar theory. That time we had a lupus theory. You would remember it well.
I do.
Some of the people from Bollywood
It's on record,
please, we can tell them what was the lupus theory bandied about and what. Don't interrupt me. Please don't interrupt me. I'm not taking any names. I'm not talking about you. There are other people talking about this theory. I'm not taking your name. So it is too early. What I found very strange was that a healthy young man has a mysterious death and suddenly everybody comes to a conclusion it's a suicide. What is the reason that you came to this conclusion and what is the reason you did not call it a mysterious death which required further investigation? Second point, evil contracts in which you economically destroy a person can be abetment to suicide. And again, Arnab, I take the example of Sunanda Pushkar, where we know how the case progressed. You know it very well. I was there and I was fighting it out in courts. Third point here, Arnab, on the crime aspect of it. Only on the crime aspect I'm going on it. What we need to know very, very clearly is that I wrote a letter to the Mumbai police, 2 letters. One, has electronic evidence of everybody connected and incidental to them being seized or not being seized. Because there is statement on record that he changed his SIM cards 50 times. That is not ordinary behavior. All those SIM cards need to be seized. Was he running in fear of somebody? Then that is a case of abetment of suicide or murder, depending on the facts. Second point here, legal point I'm making is, was his flat sealed? In Sunanda Pushkar, Arnab, you know very well the suit in which she was found dead was sealed for 3 years and 9 months. Even though the FIR was registered 1 year after her mysterious death.
No, but in that case, evidence was destroyed. No, one minute, just to investigate. First of all, Ishkaran, 1 minute, Ishkaran, since this is deeply, it means a lot to me. I would not speak about the Sunanda Pushkar investigation in the past tense. I'm completely convinced that the mysterious circumstances in the killing of Sunanda Pushkar will come out. We are pursuing it. But in that case, the evidence was destroyed. That the only thing is then, just one point I want to add to you. What I find very interesting about what you're saying, and viewers, the man on the left-hand side of your screen is a young emerging lawyer. His name is Ishkaran Bhandari. He works very closely with Subramaniam Swamy. So he's got into all these cases, he investigates them. The interesting thing about Sunanda Pushkar's case, and this one is, yes, you are right, Ishkaran. Immediately it was said this is suicide. A. B. It was said she was depressed. You remember that Malavika, Ravina, she was depressed.
Yes.
She was driving herself into it. Some people invented a theory about her having a disease called lupus, which was later proven to be untrue. So there was a very strong attempt, Malavika, if you remember, sorry to interrupt you, but immediately after, 1 minute, Amardeep, Akashdeep, you know nothing about the Sunanda case, so don't disturb me. You know nothing about it. We put a heart and soul into investigating it, so don't stop me.
I'm saying those...
Allow me to make my point. Allow me to make my point. Allow me to make my point. What I'm saying is, at that point of time, a powerful group in Delhi... Akashdeep, now don't infuriate me, man. Let me complete what I'm saying. At that point of time, a powerful group in Delhi immediately typecast Sunanda as a person who was depressed, Vani, a person who was going to kill herself, a person not in control of herself.
Yes.
Right? And they said it is suicide. There was fabrication of narrative and there was destruction of evidence. The same thing is happening here. You have said Sushant is bipolar, depressed, had a problem. He was driving himself up to it. We could see signals. Right?
Yes.
And you've controlled the narrative. Now let's listen to the young lawyer. Ishkaran is putting other facts on the table. Which honestly, I'm telling you, I'm getting feedback as you're saying.
Arnab, can I answer Ishkaran?
No, you can't answer. You got to hear him. People want to hear Ishkaran now.
Let me finish the legal aspect of it and you answer.
Arnab, can I talk to
He
Ishkaran?
feels it's not suicide.
Arnab, let me just answer the legal points. 2 more legal points, Arnab. Arnab, I have written 2 letters to Mumbai police. There are some legal points I want to make on mafia, nepotism. People can speak.
Yeah, we want to.
I'm talking about crime here. let me please make my legal points. Arnab, I wrote to Mumbai police saying that have you seized all the evidence in the sense of electronic, because experience in cases has shown that it sometimes doesn't happen. And there are statements on record that he used 50 SIM cards. Second point, Arnab, was the flat strictly sealed? How come in day one the flat was not strictly sealed? We have forensic evidence, we have DNA evidence. I wrote to Mumbai police, and that has been widely covered by media, including Republic. Your online publication has covered it. Your team can send it to you, where I said that I am not casting any aspersions on anybody. But how are you coming to such a quick conclusion without the flat? And have you sealed the flat? And if you have not sealed the flat, why not? And I gave the example of Sunanda Pushkar in that letter to police, where, please, Arnab, you remember it very well. She died on January 14, and FIR of murder was registered in January 15, 1 year later. Still the room was kept sealed. Has the flat been kept sealed in this case, or are we destroying DNA evidence? What is happening? These questions are on crime. They need
Ishkaran, why are you telling us what the police has not done?